Gemini, and welcome to your May 2023 reading. I hope you are all doing well. I hope you are enjoying the outdoors wherever you are. That beautiful smell of rain and fresh grass popping up and the flowers. I mean, you might not like it if you have allergies, but still something to be appreciated. Okay. Okay, you might be spending a lot of time with your pets. Or think about getting a pet. Or adding to your family with another pet. I feel like, as well, you could actually have like a physical, and this doesn't always stick out to me as literal, but you could have like a physical box where you have things. Maybe there's something in there that will help you remember something uplifting or inspire you, or a happy memory. There's something locked away in a box that's calling to my attention. Open that box and look in there. There's something that will activate you in some sort of way, okay? Something that has to do with your expression as well. What else is this? Yeah, something you forgot you had. Because I feel like there's some sort of renewal that's happening within you. Maybe some of you are exercising more regularly, taking better care of yourself, more self-care routines that make you feel good, but also you're looking really good too. Or if that's something you've been thinking about, now is the time. There's some sort of blossoming that's happening for you. But there's also something in a box that that keeps coming up so strongly. Yeah. Something that might belong to someone else as well. Or something you felt you lacked or you lost that's actually in this box. If you've been looking for something, look in the box, okay? That is so strong. But look in the box. Look in the box. But other than that, I just see a lot of really good renewal type of energy, spending time with your pets. You could have a pet that passed away that is around you a lot in the spirit realm, or you have a sick pet that you're spending time with. But I see a lot of renewal. I see a lot of good energy. I see a lot of forward, upward momentum, so that's really good. And it's like a really strong, stable journey. Whatever changes you're making, things that you're doing, sometimes it may feel like it plateaus, but it's continuing onward no matter the speed, okay? And this will open you up to a different realm of things that you've wanted to do. But it's about investing your energy in these things so they can grow as well. Like when you plant a seed, right? Allow it to sprout and to get strong. Okay, I hope that was helpful. I hope that made sense. Look in that box. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.